Hello everyone, my name is Said Ibrahimi from 3D World YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you how to make a plank, a wooden plank, actually a stylized wooden plank. First of all, we should choose a cube 3D. We draw it. We put edit mode on and make it Polymesh 3D. Then we should press E or scale mode and we should make it smaller. Then we can make it taller and also thinner and a little wider. Make it look exactly like a wooden plank. Okay, we go back to draw mode. Now we want to make some cuts. We hold Ctrl Shift, then we choose knife curve. Remember, we should use knife curve in the first place before subdividing our mesh, because if you subdivide it, you have more subdivision level. You can't use this brush, use knife curve. Okay. Now we can make some cuts in the corner. By holding space, you can move your curve. Okay. Now another one here. Also, oh, sorry, this is good. Now we should trim the corners, but before that we should start to divide our mesh. Okay, I put the white here. You can come to geometry and see the divide. Also, I can turn off the smooth edges. I don't want it to be smooth. I want it to look much like a plank. Okay, I divide it. You can see my active points here. Look, this is my customized UI, and the UI was different. My active points are shown here. Divide 0,000. 4 again and again. 2 more is good. 2 million. Now I have 2.8 million. Okay, that's it. I zoom it. I choose zoom dynamic. Adjust your draw size and your intensity. Also, in this case, it's good to use lazy mouse. I have lazy mouse here. You can find it in stroke, lazy mouse, and this box. You see, you can change the lazy step, lazy smooth, and lazy radius. Now we should raise the lazy radius up to, I think 30 is good, but remember it's up to you which one you're comfortable. Okay. See. Now I start to trim. I think my intensity is too high, too much. I should bring down my intensity, maybe on 30. Let's see what happens. This is good. I like it. It's good. Okay. Also, you can turn on the symmetry. You see, because we cut these corners, symmetry doesn't work. You can do this part with your hand, then turn on Extreme 3 buttons. It's not a big deal. Let's just go on with this. It will be much better if both sides would not be the same. Okay. Okay. This part too. You see, lazy radius helps so much. Try to use it. Always try to use it. When you want to make a beat, but especially in something like wooden things, it works, always works. Then here, going down, this. It's nice and slow, don't do things. You get a Ctrl Z, and always you can press it, go back, do it over and over. Not a big deal. Here. I think I trimmed the all corners. Yeah, it's good. So now we are all set. We can texture our plank here. We can use alphas. That in this part I want to show you my 40 stylized wood alphas and brushes that I put in ArtStation volume 1. In order to do that, I choose my standard brush, drag rect, and here you can see my 40 brush that I imported here. You can choose one of them. I like this one so much. Okay, I chose that. But before going on, here's a point I want to tell you. Look, first turn the Z's up on. Now I'm going to put my alpha. But if I turn the back side, it comes out. Always remember to turn off the auto masking. You come here to brush in auto masking and you turn on back face masking. In this case, you can see the backside is clean. And also another tip for using all the brush or all the alphas. Sometimes you see that some alphas are so big. Maybe your pattern, your model is wider. You just want a part of it, a little part that you use your alpha. In this case, you can easily use masking. You can mask that part. For example, I want just to use it in this part, not these corners. I mask it. Sorry. Okay. Now if I drag it, I just have my alpha. There we go. Oh, also you can use these alpha with mask if you hold control, and if you hold control, the mask pen turns on, and you should choose an alpha for it. For example, I choose this one, and I make it red. You see, a little bit big. Oh, maybe this is good. What's wrong with this? Okay. You see, but in masking, the backlit masking doesn't work well. You can clean it by holding Control and Alt. You can clean it very well. You see, it doesn't take much time. It's doable. It's useful methods. Maybe sometimes it's better for you to use alpha with masking. Sometimes with just dragging it. It depends on your model and what you're working. So, you know what? That is masking it off. I go back and again. It's okay. Sorry for that. It happens. It always happens. Even if you have so much experience in this field, you're working, it doesn't matter. So it happens, especially when you make video. Okay. Now we have our mask. First, we should reverse it. Reverse it here. And you can do this with two methods. You can inflate it, get it back, de-inflate it, you see. Now it's clean. Or you can scale it. Easily. You see, I've got my alpha here, and also we can do something else to make our flank nice, more beautiful. Okay. First, I want to choose my mask lasso. Then I draw my mask exactly in my cut inside the alpha, inside the line of it. You see. Then I sharp my mask. This part, okay, then sharp it. Then you can break. See, it won't be exactly what it would look like. So, also, now we can move the other parts. For example, here, you first sharp it, then press E, scale it. I should bring it here. If you hold your Alt, you see the whole lot, it gets unlocked and you can take it wherever you want. So good. Yeah, I see some. If you like it, you can let it be, or you can stop it. It's it. They're all locked. So good. So nice. Also this part too. I think you've got the point. I don't wanna make my video too long. You got this. You can do. You can put alphas on the other side, and also you can buy my brush and alphas packs in ArtStation or the other websites that I put their links below in the description. Okay. Now let's put here and then very good. Also but the person you still need to smooth this part. Sometimes it looks good. Look. It's like a DK place, I don't know, like something like that in the road. It's good. You can let it be. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel and see my video.